Find the value of x and classify the triangle by its angles. We know that measure of interior angles of triangle is 180 degrees. So when we add these three angles, we have to have 180 degrees. So we have x degrees plus 4x degrees plus 105 is 180 degrees. Let's forget about degrees. So we have x plus 4x is 5x is equal 180 minus, I will move 105 to the right side. So we have minus 105. 5x is equal 75. Now we divide both sides by 5. And we had that x is equal 15. So we found value of x. Now we have to classify the triangle by its angles. Because we have here obtuse angle, so it doesn't matter the measure of these two angles. A triangle can only have one obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. When we have obtuse angle, it means that our triangle is obtuse triangle. So let me write this. We have obtuse angle. 105 is obtuse angle. So it means our triangle is obtuse triangle. If you want to find the measure of these angles, we just substitute x by 15. So if this angle has 15 degrees and this has 4 times 15. So this is equal 60 degrees. And when you add these three angles, you will have 180 degrees. This is my solution.